Today we are going to install a Tango2 in the 2025 Can-Am Maverick R XRS. Remove the rear driver's side seat, adjust it as far back as it will go, then using a 13mm socket and wrench, you can remove the seat's nuts and bolts. Slide the seat forward using a 15mm socket, remove the rear nuts, then lift the seat out of the vehicle. Remove the battery cover and disconnect the battery terminals using a Phillips screwdriver. Because you will be running wires from the battery to the dash, you will need to remove the driver's seat. This will remove the same way as the rear seat, as well as unplugging the seat belt harness. Remove the plastic dash panel covering the bus bar. Remove the two 10mm bolts. Remove the plastic dash panel on both sides. Remove the upper storage compartment door by lifting straight up on the lid. It will unclip at the hinges. Next, you would remove the two 10mm screws on either side. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove the screw and plastic panels around the roll cage. Underneath the panel there will be two more 10mm screws to remove. Then you would be able to remove the dash panel. Remove these black plastic trim panels on either side. Remove the 8 10mm screws securing this panel in the dash. After removing the 10mm screws, the panel will only be held in by speed clips. Carefully pry up and away from the vehicle and remove the dash panel. Remove the three 10mm screws securing this panel. Next, you want to remove the two screws on the side and one screw beneath the rocker switches. This will help you to remove the dash panel. Next, you will remove the center console plastics. Next, you want to remove the rocker switcher cover plate and install the Tango2. Next, we will show you how the installation works. You want to connect the Tango 2 turn signal main harness to the brain. Then you would want to crimp the ring terminals to the power input harness. Next, connect the power input harness to the main harness. Then you would want to connect the front turn signal extension harness to the main harness and connect the LED lamp to the front turn signal extension harness. Finally, you would want to connect the Tango 2 MAV R rear harness to the main harness. Connect the Tango 2 turn signal rocker switch to the main harness. Plug the 3-pin connector of the power input harness to the X3 turn signal main harness. Run the BAT, GND, and ACC wires of the power input harness to the factory bus bar and screw in the ring terminals to the bus bar. Mount the supplied bracket for the horn away from moving parts. Then you want to mount the horn to the bracket, making sure the horn is facing downward to protect from water damage. Run the horn cable towards the desired horn mounting location and plug in the horn power wires. Drill a 3/4 hole in the front of the vehicle for the front turn signal LED lamp. Insert the LED turn signal lamp into the hole and push in to lock in place. Connect the front turn signal extension harness to the LED lamp. Next, route the front left and right turn signal extension cables to the main harness and connect them. Run the Tango 2 rear turn signal harness to the rear of the vehicle. Use zip ties to secure the cable away from any moving parts or exhaust pipes. Unplug the factory tail light connector and plug it to the pass input connector of the X3 rear turn signal harness that was ran to the back of the vehicle. Now do the same for the driver's side. Once you have connected everything, make sure to test the Tango 2 before reassembling the vehicle. If everything works perfect, then you can reassemble the vehicle. Lastly, connect the battery. and now you're ready to hit the trails. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. For any more questions, you can give us a call at 818-991-1778. We'll see you guys later.